welcome you to Intra Trades, our new YouTube channel. What we are going to do in this channel is we are explaining the trade logics behind the trades what we have taken on the current trading day. Based on order flow analysis, we are working on the trades and how order flow analysis helps us to find the most efficient trades in live market itself. And we are explaining about the post market reviews for bank nifty. In some cases we also discuss about nifty also, and this is a new initiative that we have taken, that we are releasing our videos in English language also. So again, what we do here is we are using order flow analysis chart to identify the most efficient trades which are 95% accurate, and from now onward, today onwards, we are going to see the post market review on bank nifty based on order flow analysis. And now let's get into the charts of bank nifty. So this is what bank nifty chart looks like, and here you can observe that the candlesticks that are formed today, which is 5th of September 2020. So what are the trade possibilities that we have got today and how the trades went? That's what we are going to discuss right now. And now you are looking at the bank nifty chart of 5 minutes day time frame. So now you can observe that as a price action trader, you might have observed two trend lines shown here, which is formed by the previous trading day on last Friday. So now, what was the trade plan? I was looking for a triangular pattern breakout or breakdown. So Bank Nifty gave me a triangular pattern breakout. So I just want to validate that whether the breakout is by new buying orders or whether it was a fake break. By 9:15 candle itself, you can see here, by 9:15 candle itself, it has given a breakout of the triangular pattern which we have drawn already. So now what I need to do is, I just want to verify whether this breakout is a true breakout or a false breakout. So I'm just going into the order flow analysis chart. You can observe that this is the candle which is formed at 9:15 a.m. by 5th of August. So this is the candle which is formed. So if you observe that in first candle itself, we got a good delta. My problem is the high to low range of this candle is around 300 points. This 300 points risk is not into my criteria. So what I need to do is I have to wait for a proper entry again. So in what way I can say it is a proper? The thing is, I need to get my adequate delta above this candle, which is in a range of 300 points. Above this candle, I need to get an adequate delta, and I have to look for the buyers at the resistance area, which is marked by me right now. Okay, and before the market is running here, my resistance area was here, my resistance price is here. And one more thing I have to tell you that I am using Bank Nifty futures chart. Okay, you can watch it here. I am using Bank Nifty futures chart. So I need to wait for a breakout of my resistance, and these resistance and support levels are given in my Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video. If somebody wants to join in my community, you can use that link to join. So now again to the analysis. This candle breaks my resistance point. So what I have to do now? I have to go and check the OFA, I mean order flow analysis chart again. So whether it has a big buying or not. So I found that there is a big buying in that candle. Okay, now what we are going to do? Now what I have to do? So I have to wait for a entry. This is going to be my entry, and this is going to be my stop loss. Now what happened next? So the market is not willing to give me any entries. So the next candle itself, it is called as a red candle, and it also came below the candle which I have got an adequate delta. So now my entry above this candle is failure. Yes, I haven't took any entries here, but once the low of the candle which gave a critical delta has taken out, this candle itself has no value. So now we have to wait for another opportunity. The opportunity we got is at 10:05 a.m. Checking it here. So what happened here is this is a previous candle which give you a adequate delta. This is previous candle which gave you a adequate delta, and now you are waiting for a candle that moves above this and form a delta higher than the delta which is formed at 9:30 candle. Okay, now order flow chart. So at 9:30 candle it is 46k, 46,000 delta, and now it is 48,000 delta. So it is higher than this. Okay, accept. Now, have you taken a trade here? No, I haven't. If you ask me, I haven't taken a trade here. Why? So as an option buyers, we have to know that there is a one more delta in market which tells you about the movement of the price based on options. In options there is one more term called delta, and which is called as option Greeks. It's not a delta what we observing in order flow analysis. It is a separate subject. So there is a term called option Greeks. In the Greeks there is a delta which shows you how many points if a spot moves and how many points can option moves, right? So now it's 60 points. If you buy an at the money price, it is around 0.5%, right? So if 60 points moves in spot price, futures price, the at the money price will move 30. So for these 30 points, you have to take this 60 points as a till the market comes down and closes below this level. You have to hold the trade, and which is not possible for a retail trader. When you see into at the money breaks, in both sides there will be just a few point difference around 0.5%. So market will move 30 points up and 30 points down. So when you are an order flow trader, you just don't have to look for these 30 points in bank. For spot stocks, it is okay. For stocks, it is okay to look into 1%, 0.5%, but in bank nifty, you don't have to look for 30 points or 2 points stock. In market, all you need is a patience. If you are patient enough to hold a trade, you are the successful trader. You can be a successful trader. So now I avoided this trade also, and again I got this candle with the 42k delta. Now what I thought is from here to here. So it is a trade I have planned from that. I need a market to trigger my price here and go for the target of 70 points. So when I take ITM option, I might get 0.65% of this 70 points, which is around 50. Okay, without by leaving market without making any money is better than giving a risk, taking a risk. So I have decided to enter here, which is triggered in next candle itself, and the price came down. So I have placed my stop loss here. So then the market moved sideways, sideways, sideways. I have placed the stop loss. I have placed my stop loss in below this candle. Market moved sideways, 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 and around from 10, 15 to 12, maybe 1 to 145 minutes. It was in sideways. So I have decided to exit the trade at minus 23 points and close my trade at 23 points as negative. Yes, it was a loss trade. I accept that, but I can take this 23 points by tomorrow itself or in next trade itself. But I don't want to lose more money in this trade where I can observe that there is no momentum. What I expected when I enter here is the market will reach this 40,000 mark by today, and which is happened at 12:30 candle. But the thing is, I have exited the market in this area, and now that's my trade is gone for 23 points negative, and I was looking for some other opportunity with the help of order flow analysis, but the order flow analysis doesn't want to give me any kind of opportunity. Big players have not entered into the market after the trade, after that 12:30 p.m. So there was no any entries occurred in the remaining time of the market, and there is no any entries taken by me. And finally I have faced a negative of 23 points in bank. And hope this in this you will understand that how order flow analysis has given you the instruction that not to take any trades. So this is how we have to use the order flow analysis. We have to use the order flow analysis only at the resistance point. This is we can have the targets based on the order flow analysis, and we can have the stop losses based on the order flow analysis. This video is just to give you an awareness about order flow analysis, how you can able to follow the market, how you can able to follow the footprints of the big buyers. If there is no big buyers, you don't have to get into the market again. What are the logics behind and what is order flow analysis will be the next video in our channel in both languages. Wait for that video. Once you get that video, you will be clear about order flow analysis and how the trade efficiency of you can be improved. And if you like this video, I request you to please like, subscribe, and also click the notification bell icon so that the videos what we posting will reach you sooner. So now it's time to sign out, and I am Shiva from Intra Traders. We'll meet you in next session video. So thank you guys, and I hope you will like this video and share this video. Hope you will subscribe this too. Thank you.